Want to know how to make chicken cordon bleu? We'll show you. Lay out some cling film on top of a chopping board. Place a chicken breast on top, place more film on top of that, and then beat it with a tenderizer to flatten out your chicken. Then remove the top layer of film, just like so. And season your chicken with classic salt and pepper. Now add 2 slices of cheese, followed by 2 slices of ham, and finally 2 more tasty slices of cheese. Now, carefully roll up the chicken to create a ham and cheese parcel, making sure everything is tightly rolled together. Securely wrap the film around it. Tie the film at both ends, and now you can place in the freezer for 30 minutes. Once that's done, dip your chicken roll in flour, then in some whisked egg, and then in breadcrumbs. Make sure you coat it properly. Repeat the egg and breadcrumb step for some extra crispy chicken. This is the messy part. Now, using some tongs, carefully place the roll into a pan of hot oil and deep fry it for a good amount of time. You'll know it's ready when the coating is golden brown, just like this one. Let's drain some of the oil away before placing it back on your chopping board. Slice through your chicken parcel with a sharp knife, and you should find your chicken is cooked and your cheese is steamy and melting. Now just plate it up with a healthy side salad, and voila! A delicious fancy meal to share. Enjoy!